Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tamara Wabanale from Nusa Cendana University Chemistry Study Program, Faculty of Science and Engineering. Today, I will present my research with the title Identification of Microplastic in Kupang City Waters Using Tuna Fish Eutinus affinis as a Bioindicator. Kupang is the largest city on the island of Timor and is also the capital of Nusa Province as Southeast. Because the location is very large, there is a lot of growth. The population in the city of Kupang is a quite large recorded in BPS data. For growth figures, residents can be seen on the PPT slide. Because it is located on the coast, Kupang City is the second largest fisheries production center in NTT with total production of 190,405 tons in 2021. Because of this, most of the people of Kupang working as fishermen. The increase in population and activity on beach increases the use of plastic can cause an increase in plastic waste if not managed well. This waste comes from household activities, fishermen, and trade in beach. The Kupang City Environmental Service record daily waste production in the city. Kupang raised to 200 to 250 tons with plastic waste estimate of 20.50%. Because of the large amount of plastic waste produced by household, fishermen, and traders in beaches that are not managed properly, as a result, the rubbish flows in waterways are degraded over time to form microplastic. Microplastic can enter the digestive system of marine biota and accumulate, resulting in disrupt metabolism and reduce on population of marine. Microplastic accumulate in marine biota can enter the human body if they consume food sea, which will have an impact on human lung and blood health. Cause damage to human cells, including allergy reaction and cell death. Data collection where Eutinus affinis fish samples were purchased from fishermen in Kupang City waters. After that, surgery was carried out on the fish samples to identify microplastic. The analysis was carried out quantitatively, descriptively by identifying microplastic based on their number and shape in fish samples. Interpretation of the data were data from FTIR spectra for while is still in stage analysis from each sample was compared with standard FTIR spectra from various types of plastic polymer materials in the database. The result of the identification of microplastic found in the digestive tract sample of Tepeoiba and Oisapa market tuna using a microscope showed that the types of microplastic were fibers, films, and fragments. This discovery was associated with the presence of waste such as plastic bags, nets, or plastic wrapper that entered the fish digestive tract. Film was the dominant form of microplastic found in the tuna samples. Film is a type of microplastic that has an irregular shape, comes from very thin plastic fragments, is transparent in color, and has a lower density than other types of microplastic. The presence of film can also be associated with wastes such as tarpaulins or plastic wrapping. Fiber can be recognized by its shape, which tends to be elongate and resembles thread or a fishing net. It is known to last longer on the surface of the water because of its relatively low density. Microplastic fragments are characterized by irregular particles cannot be destroyed and tend to have sharp edges. Based, based, based on the identification result of all TPOIBA tuna samples, it was found that there were 70 film type microplastic, 5 fibers, and 3 fragments. The results of identification of all samples of Oisapa market tuna fish found that there were 15 film, 15 film type microplastic, 5 fiber types. Based on the calculation result, it can be known that the percentage of abundance of microplastic in TPUBA film types is 68%, fiber 20%, and fragments 12%. On Oisapa Beach, 75% film, 25% fiber, and 0% fragment. The result of FDR analysis were confirmed by functional group which showed that there are several types of microplastic polymers including polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyamide, and polyphenol chloride. Identification results showed the tuna fish sample from Tepayoba contained 68% film, 20% fiber, and 12% fragments, whereas tuna fish from Oisapa Beach contained 75% films, 25% fiber, and 0% fragments. FTR analysis identified various types of polymer, including polyethylene and polypropylene. This study highlights the critical threat of microplastic to aquatic ecosystem and seeks to contribute to the development of more effective environmental management strategies. Thank you to all those who have helped us get to the end of our research.